My fucking BlackBerry broke. I fucking hate this shit. This is the worst thing to text on. It's like a baby's toy. No, I like it. It just fucking pisses me off. You cannot text on it for shit. I'm getting a new iPhone. I gotta hook up at the Singular. Hey, tell me why iPhones suck, because I'm trying to figure out what the fuck to do. They break really easy. A lot of my friends have bunches of them. My fingers are too big to text. Yeah, dude, iPhone is shiny. iPod Touch break easy. Okay. They might be overrated, but what the fuck is a smartphone? Is that touchscreen too? What is it? But what is it? What's so neat about a smartphone? I'll Google.